Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by seating yourself with the glasses on a soft towel and bright light. Check which lens is loose and whether the screw or groove is the cause. Use a magnifier to confirm small damage. Make sure you have the correct pH 00 or tiny flat screwdriver ready. Start with gentle pressure. Hold the lens in place while you tighten the hinge or rim screw a quarter turn at a time. If the frame is plastic, note where the lens meets the frame before applying heat. Once you identify the loose element, continue stepwise tightening while checking lens fit frequently. For metal frames, tighten hinge and rim screws, back out and realign if misaligned, then retighten. If you have nylon or rimless designs, inspect the retaining wire or nylon cord and reseat or replace it. When working with plastic frames, warm the frame with a hair dryer at moderate heat to flex the channel, then press the lens evenly into place. Make sure the lens sits flush and rotates freely only as intended. To finish, apply a tiny drop of removable thread locker or clear nail polish to each screw to prevent recurrence, then wipe away excess. Recheck alignment by wearing the glasses. Ensure the optical center and comfort are preserved. If the lens still moves, inspect for a chipped lens edge, warped groove, or strip screw. Those require part replacement. If you see cracking, deep wear, or cannot secure the retaining wire, stop and go to an optician for repair or replacement, rather than forcing the frame and risking damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.